Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to use Google Keep for productivity. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, while you are using Google Keep, you can use the Google Keep in two ways. The first one is for personal uses. It includes the normal features like keeping the notes and making your to-do list into Google Keep. And the second side is productive or professional side of Google Keep. Now, in order to use professional side of Google Keep, you have to know some features that Google Keep provide, and after using those features into your list or notes, you can use Google Keep productively. Now by using this feature, you can easily make the list of your works and professions. Just simply title anything at first and then you can add items into this list. Now just simply title this list at first, and after that you can add your task as items into this list. You can easily make any list of your tasks or works that you have to do from here, and you can also check the task after doing this just by simply tapping into this checkbox. And this way you can easily track your task and your works very easily by using this feature of Google Keep. Now you can also set reminders for your upcoming meetings, any personal task, or anything that related to your professional line or personal line, and this might be very helpful for you. Now in order to use that feature, just simply tap into bell and you can set reminder into this place. And now after doing all this, you can label your task by tapping into this label option into here. Just simply tap into there and you can label your task by work and personal task. And by using this very easy step, you can easily use Google Keep for some productive works. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.